Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cooking with Jerry. This is video 2. Jerry is going to put the ingredients together. So the first thing we need is 1/3 cup of oil, and that is equal to 5 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon. So he's going to put that into the measuring cup, and then we're going to pour it into our cake. Okay, and find the teaspoon. Should be the next one. Good job. Put that in there. Okay, now you can put that aside for a second. Okay, now he's going to dump the cake mix into the bowl. Big bowl. Okay. And he's going to crack the eggs in there. Good job. That's one. And that's 2. And one more. Okay, and he's going to pour the oil in. And then if you want to go get the bottle of water on the sink, we can do 1 cup of water. Okay, so as you can see, the ingredients are in the bowl. He's going to put 1 cup of water in. Go ahead and measure out your water. And then he's going to start whisking it, and then we're going to put it into the machine, and then we will come back to you guys and show you. We got to get the pans ready as well. We're going to butter and flour the pans and get them ready to go in the oven. This is Cooking with Jerry, video 2, and as you can see, Jerry's mixing the cake mix, and we will be back in a minute. Thanks for joining us. Cooking with Jerry, part 2.